If you do just this one thing, and this hadith was reported in Abu Dawud, narrated by Muad ibn Jabal radiallahu anh. If you do just one thing, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said that you will be in Jannah. Isn't it that easy? It is that easy. Stay tuned. Now, I do have the glare coming out of my window, so I decided to just wear my glass. I hope this will help. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he mentioned about this person who will be entering into Jannah. Dear brothers and sisters, this hadith is so amazing. When we study hadith, when we come across this kind of good news, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in this good news that man kana akhiri kalamihi la ilaha illallah dakhala jannah. Whosoever's last word will be la ilaha illallah will enter into Jannah. So what I'm saying this, because right now we have a situation, people are dying, and unfortunately in a lot of cases we cannot help them. But one thing that we can remember ourselves and remind these people who are dying, if we are by their side when they're passing away, is that to remind them, hey my brother, or hey my sister, or hey my aunt, my mother, my father, whoever it is that is facing death, who is tasting death, and remind them that, hey, say la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, the last word. If you can remind them about it, say this, and they say that and they die, they will go to Jannah according to the hadith. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he made it very clear. So dear brother and sister, this is a very, very important thing to remember for all of us. It is very important, especially if you have a family member. For example, like if you have elderly people who are facing a lot of difficulties, challenges, health problem, diseases. Some family members, they have cancer. Some family members, they have like big problem and life-threatening disease. If you can remind them, if you're by their side, or if you're calling them, I heard that you are sick, I heard that these people are dying, call them and talk to their family members. If you cannot talk to the patient itself, talk to their family members and tell them, hey, remember this hadith. Rasulullah said, if their last word is man kana akhiri kalamihi la ilaha illallah, they will be into Jannah. Remind them to tell this hadith, to say the shahada before their death. Inshallah, they will go to Jannah. We make dua for each of us, for each for all the whole ummah. Inshallah, we are here in it together. We pray for each other. And inshallah, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you soon again. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.